Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is positive action. Positive action. Is time to spring into action. Time to meet those deadlines. It's time to make sure that you put the framework into what your dreams and what your visions and intellect, your intuition has been brewing this whole year, this whole season. It's time to put some walk behind that talk. Positive action. I know you may feel that you're surrounded by darkness. You never know when the light is going to shine and you're going to head into your new life where there's more ease, where it feels like living, not sustaining. But there's small patches of light. If you're surrounded in the darkest room, there are specks of light, which are your gifts that you're working on to make sure you build something beautiful. I want you to only recognize those small patches of light. Ignore the darkness, because in no time, as long as you keep looking at that light and building on to those light and your great gifts, the light becomes bigger. It becomes huge. It becomes humongous. And next thing you know, you made your way out of the wilderness, out of the darkness. The darkness is a thing of the past, and you've landed in the light and in your future of your manifestations and abundance. Something that we need, I need. So continue to move forward and grow. I focus in the beauty within me, and I find silence and beauty. I live and honor the present by doing what I can now. And what I cannot change, I let go and entrust to God, and He makes way for me to be great. Positive action, positive energy brings positive situations, breakthroughs. Negative energy, tests and obstacles that will teach you why you need to let go of these negative energies. Have a forgiving heart, be productive, and move positive and put in that work today. Keep building. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.